Right. Next thing that you should know is how to type some special symbols. Like there's a shortcut. There are shortcuts in MS Word. If you want to write a smiley, you can write colon and colon. So this way you can write smiley, right? Colon and colon and close of the brackets will give this. That is colon and this one. And if you write bracket C bracket, it will give copyright mark. Bracket C bracket will give the copyright mark. Bracket R brackets will give registered mark. Bracket R bracket.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Mage computer ke Windows dot type කරලා emotions ගන්න පුළුවන්.
Windows and what? So maybe you have.
Well, this command to almost every Windows computer, sir.
Trademark.
And sir, we can have it like using ASCII codes, like Alt 1.
Yeah, that is possible. So I'm telling this word autocorrecting option. It is available in MS Word. But I'm just telling the autocorrection options available in MS Word. Okay. So this is for Word, especially word processing software. And then when you type this one, it will end up with a bullet number like this. It's generating a bullet. Right, then the next one, if you type triple asterisk and enter, you can see a line. Triple asterisk and enter a line. These are some word processing tips which is available in MS Word. Just try that and also write that in the book.
And so we can type on this, on that asterisk, triple asterisk.
Yes. You can type on what? Type on what?
Sir, type on that line, dotted line.
Yeah, you can type on it. That is actually dots. You can type, you can just type on that line without any issue. Generating some dots render. Okay, these are some.
How did you get that bullet by lower than greater than mark?
Greater than mark and space will give you that. Okay. Any other thing? Any other issues? Any other doubts? Okay, these things are actually done by this ASCII keyboard, the Alt and numbering. So this I have already explained. Alt key and number pad, you can get this, but not in the chat, right? In Word only. That's why I said the word processing. Right here, if you type underscore, nothing happened. 2 underscores, nothing happened. 3 underscores, enter. You can see it's generating this line.
Sir,
yes.
I have a problem.
What is
Sir,
that?
when I type R within brackets, I get like a very tiny symbol.
Yeah, it's depend on the font that you are using. Maybe in that
Sir,
font,
how to change it?
you just change the font. Select it, change the font. Go to home and change the font. Maybe Times New Roman, size it up, maybe
Okay.
increase the size, you can change it. Okay, the thin line you can take by this. That is for thin line. So 3 line types. This is double line, 4 line. I'm sorry. This is double line, dotted line, double line, thick line, thin line. These are down different line types.
So how did, oh, okay.
Okay. So try to get all the line types and all these symbols. If not working, let me know, then I'll help, right?
Excuse me, sir. How
Yes.
to draw that lines?
You have to, so 3 asterisks and enter, that will give this line. 3 equal signs, enter, this will give this line. 3 underscores, enter, thick line. 3 dashes, enter, thin line. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Finish.
Yes, sir.
Right, okay, great.
Yes.
Okay, so Delvin, you are trying it in the chat, but it won't happen, right? So it is not, so this is for word processing, right? It's happening word interface, not in other areas. It happens in word
Okay, sir.
interface, right? Okay. Right, so then,
annotation එකේ වෙනවද?
sorry,
annotation එකේ වෙනවද?
which annotation?
zoom annotation?
Zoom, no, it's not happening soon. Only this, right? So this is available for MS Word. And there are 2 more things, and before we finish today, we like to study this as well. And that is basically, so here you can use RAND equal RAND, that will give you a random paragraph, right? Equal RAND and equal RAND. So if you give equal, sorry, if you give equal, this is for random paragraph. So always generating that, right? So equal RAND, then you can give the number of paragraphs you need. It will create the given number of paragraphs. Okay, let me slow down and tell you, otherwise it will generate the paragraph and you won't be able to find that. So one thing is equal RAND. If you give equal RAND, enter, it will create a random paragraph. Can please see in your computer, open MS Word, type equal RAND, then the brackets, then enter. So see what's happening. Anyone need help? Then I can do, right? Anyone having issues getting that?
So a lot of paragraphs came.
Yes, lot of paragraphs. It will display a lot of paragraphs. Equal RAND. And equal RAND, then you can give how many paragraphs you want. Example, equal RAND, you can say 1. Yes.
Sir, can we give like 50?
Yeah, then it will create 50. Equal RAND 1 will create 1 paragraph. If you give 50, it will create 50 paragraphs. So I don't
Excuse me, sir.
don't tell me that my machine is struck likewise, right? After that. Okay, yes, what were you asking?
ඒ කියන්නේ RAND enter කරාම එන්නේ මොන වගේ ඒ කියන්නේ paragraph එකක්ද?
That is taken from the help file. That is basically taken from the help file and some text in the help file. Okay.
So then if we set it to 50, will we get the same paragraph
Yes,
like
same
you?
paragraph, but different amount of text.
So I did it for 100 and it came 100.
Yes, when you request, it will give the response. That is the nature of computer. It won't think.
Excuse me, sir. How delete කරන්නත් option එකක් තියනවද?
Then control Z to undo. You have control Z to undo, right? Then, so the another thing is you can give the number of paragraphs with the intended number of lines. So equal rand 3, 2 will give 3 paragraphs, each with 2 lines. Each with 2 sentences actually. 2, 3 will give you 3 paragraphs, each with 2 lines. So those are 3 applications of rand. Equal rand, or you can use equal rand with some number, or you can use equal rand with number of paragraphs and number of lines per paragraphs. That is also applicable. Or you can use equal lorem. So that will give you a paragraph which you cannot read.
So is that another
Language.
language?
What did you write?
Equal lorem.
Right.
Equal lorem 1 will give you 1 paragraph, and equal lorem 1, 3, 4 will give 3 paragraphs, each with 2 lines. Sorry, each with 4 lines.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
RAND 100 කියලා කරන්න 100 දෙන්නේ නෑනේ.
Sorry, LOREM, lorem.
No, RAND.
I don't know who said that 100 comes. I don't know. I have not tested. Someone else said that, no? 100 came.
In brackets 100 paragraphs ගන්න.
It should come. Right here, let me try in my one. Equal, so this is meaningless thing, right? Anyway, so why you are trying that? Equal RAND 100 should work. It's working. It's giving 100 paragraphs. It's giving. You have to write it correctly. It gives you 100 paragraphs. Okay, so these are also to get random text used as placeholder text to fill some area. Use as a placeholder text to fill some area. Okay, now we know the magics and all these things, gimmicks, magics, everything. So
Sir?
yes.
Sir, in new Google Slides, there are like these things.
In Google Slides, these features are there, no?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So you can use our Word application also, no? Which we have embedded the Microsoft version. You can go to Edmodo. I think those features are available there also. In Edmodo, please go to your profile. In Edmodo, please go to your profile and then select Microsoft Office, and those features should be available in that also. You can take Word online, PowerPoint online, and Excel online. Just try it there. Okay. So then with that, we are going to stop for today. Actually, we learned about MS Word and we did some practicals related to that. And there are some few areas to cover. That is about the keyboard next day. And we will be learning the other keys like navigation keys, control keys. And then we will be learning about the mouse. Right. And Touch typing, of course, we learn. Typing tutor, type master, touch typing, typing master, we learned that. Singular keyboard, actually phonetic keyboard, I did a lesson on that, how to install phonetic keyboard in your computer. I think I did, right? This one, Helakuru.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, sir. We should do only the Tamil one.
Tamil one, Tanglish. Right, okay. So let's do this, and that is the end of the particular lesson. Then we can start that game development part. Right, okay. Anyway, this will take 1 or 2 days to finish the particular lesson. And also we have to do the workbook. So then actually it will take the month. After that, we can go to the chapter number 5. Okay, then good night. See you all in the next week.
Good night, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Night,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Night, sir.
So nice. Bye.